kindergarten. Today we are going to practice and review money. We are going to quickly review the names and the values of each coin, and then we're going to practice counting some money. All right, let's go. I'm going to take you over to my board here. So I have the coins laid out, each coin. So our first coin, what's the name of our coin? Yes, a penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Very good. 1 cent. Take a look at our next coin. How much is this coin? It is worth 5 cents. And what is the name of this coin? A nickel. Very good. And who is on a nickel? Thomas Jefferson, our president, President Jefferson. And who's on the penny? Yes, President Lincoln. All right, take a look at this tiny coin. It's the smallest coin, but does not have the tiniest value. What is the name of this coin? Dime. Very good. And how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. All right. Oh, my word sense got moved on me. Ooh, now this is a tricky one. Who is on a dime? President Roosevelt. If you got that one, you were wearing your smart underwear today. That's a tricky one. That's not a president we kindergartners often hear about. What is the name of this coin here? Quarter. Very good. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Oh, I have to move my cents over. Okay, I messed up there. 25 cents. Very good. And who is on the front of a quarter? Yes, George Washington, President Washington, our very first president. And we noticed that there's a lot of different buildings and items on the back of coins, and they do change. Sometimes they want to commemorate or celebrate something else. So I know some coins have had a bit of changes than we see here. But especially, oh, sorry, my text box came up again. Especially the quarter. The back of the quarter changes often, and every state has a different back to the quarter to commemorate each state, to celebrate each state. So we see that. All right, what we're going to do now is I'm going to clear the board, and we are going to count some money. So I'm going to bring that up. So I'll put an array of money up. And then we are going to count. Let me get my money. There it is. All right. So we'll start off not too hard. I'm going to start off with some pennies here today. Let's see if we can help me count how much money. Ooh, all right. So when we're counting, we want to count carefully our money. And it's always better to count from left to right, especially if it's nicely lined up. So if you line up your money to count. All right, you ready to help me count it? Oh, how do we count pennies? Well, if they're worth 1 cent, we count by ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cents. Very good. Now, is that a lot of money or a small amount of money? That is not very much money. Very good. All right. Let's keep going. Going to clear that. And now let's see. Let's bring up this coin, see if you can tell me how much. How much do we have here? Oh, I'm going to scatter it this time, make it a little trickier to count. Ooh, what coin do we see here? Dime. All right. So when we're counting money, when it's scattered around, because oftentimes when you're practicing counting money, it's going to be spread across a table or in your purse. So I always suggest to kindergartners, when we're counting, you don't want to, if you're just going like 10, 20, 30, you might count something over again. Just like when we count objects or anything, money is the same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it over so we don't count it more than one time. It's important to count money carefully. And how do we count money? By tens, because they are worth 10 cents each. All right, let's count by tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 cents. And it's also important you don't count too quickly. If you count too fast, again, you might get the incorrect amount. All right. Let's see. Let's do some nickels. Oh, let me give you lots of nickels here. You ready? Okay. Oh, here, I'll move that one up a little. He's hiding. Oh, all right. Now, how do we count nickels? By fives. Ooh, this is great practice at skip counting. Money is great for that. You know, it's fun. Money is kind of fun to count, too. All right, so we have to count by fives. You ready? 5, 10. I want to hear you. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. Woo, 50 cents. Very good. Ooh, smarty pants question. How many quarters would I need to give me the same amount of nickels? So this is kind of this is higher level thinking. This is kind of like, ooh, got to really think about this. How many quarters? 2, very good, because 2 quarters also equals 50 cents. They equal the same amount. So think about that. Would you rather carry around all these nickels or only 2 quarters? I think I'd rather carry around 2 quarters. All right. So just because you have more of one coin does not mean you have a larger amount. All right, now we are going to get the big coin out. What coin do you think that's going to be? Yes. Quarter. Oh, now quarters, you kind of just have to memorize, how much is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarters, 4 quarters worth. So, let's see if you were listening carefully to what I was just talking about. How much money do I have here? So each quarters were 25 cents. 25, 50. Very good. So 50 cents, the same amount that we had with the nickels. All right. Let's try a couple more for today. I'll clear that. What should we go back to? Let's go back to some dimes. All right. Bring up some dimes. And how much is a dime worth? That's right, 10 cents. Good job. All right, go ahead. I want to hear you count. 10. Yes, 40 cents. Now that's not really a lot of money. I don't even think we can buy gum for 40 cents anymore. Not even usually, maybe one gumball if you had a quarter. I think they're still a quarter. Who knows? It might be 50 cents now. So it's really not that much money to buy something with. All right. Let's go try this coin next. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. We got a lot here. Oh, but we're not done yet. All right. Oh, my. We got a lot. What do we have here? What coin, kindergarten? Nickels. That's right, with Mr. Jefferson on the front. All right. So let's remember, since we have a lot here, we want to make sure we move them over as we count. Let's go. We're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 50, 55, 70. Ooh, 70 what? When we're talking about coins, 70 cents. We always want to label. It definitely makes a difference. Do I have 70 bananas? Do I have $70? Now that would be very different. We'd have to have dollar bills or a lot of nickels. All right. Let's see. Do 2 more. Let's go back to this coin. Let's see if you can guess what coin I'm bringing up. Ooh, what coin? Quarter. All right. I have 3 quarters. How much is 3 quarters worth? 25, 50, 75. Yes, 75 cents. Very good. All right. We'll do one last one. Let's see here. All right, what coin do we have? Yeah, penny. Bring up a couple more pennies. All right. How do we count? By 1. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Ooh, that tricky teen. 13 what? Cents. Nice work, kindergarten. Well, thank you for helping me count money today and reviewing coins. This is something you could easily do at home. Maybe ask Mom if you can go through her change purse, but make sure you don't keep it unless Mom says it's okay. Or even if you have your own piggy bank or where you keep change, go ahead and take it out and count. You can sort it. So this would be a great way to practice sorting all the coins and then counting how much you have of each. And maybe you could even record it down. So you're practicing sorting, counting money, skip counting, and writing your numbers. Wow! That would be awesome to practice. So maybe you could do that this weekend. If you happen to do that at home and like to send a picture to your teacher showing you practicing counting your money, we would love to see you do it. All right. Have fun counting your money. See you next time. Bye.